have selected the Super Car Wash. Please deposit $10. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Oh, your door's still open. You gotta close it a little bit. Okay.
Hey YouTubers, today we're going to the E-Fusion car wash at Mcgees car wash. We're about to go do the undercarriage wash.
Am I supposed to stay here?
No, you just have to keep going.
Okay.
So it's a drive forward. Stop.
Okay.
Pre-soak.
Now, what's this one called?
E-Fusion.
E-Fusion. Is that a good one?
Yeah, it's a good car wash.
I think it's only like 1 year old at Mcgees, huh?
Next month, yeah.
Yep.
Of the automatic bay.
Yes.
It used to have a water wizard.
That's right. I remember that. Didn't we get stuck in here one time? What were
That's
we
when
driving?
it was a touchless wash.
Yeah, what did we drive that day?
The truck.
The Dodge? Was that on YouTube? When we got stuck?
Now here comes the brushes. Now it's gonna start changing directions. Now the other brush is gonna change directions too.
Ooh.
Now the top brush is about to touch the windshield. Okay, the brushes are gonna move. It's gonna give us another pass. So another path of brushes. tri-phone.
Okay, are we seeing all the colors? Looks like only one color.
Probably some green. That's probably some greens. Now here comes the spot tree rents. Door's about to start up, so the light's about to tell us when to go, and the jars will start.
Oh, that's right. We have to go through on our own, don't we?
Yep.
Okay. Just go nice and slow. How long do the tires give you?
Well, when you go past, it will turn off.
Oh, so we can stay here for a little bit.
Let's keep going, like a little bit
Let's just
slow.
stay the night. You got a pillow? A blanket?
No, we're not staying in here.
Do you tell your YouTubers to stay the night at a car wash?
No.
Or to go through the car wash on a bicycle?
Wait, that's not safe to go to this car wash with a bike. Not safe.
How about just walk through it? It'll wash your hair.
Activate the wash.
Yeah, it'll wash your hair for you.
That won't be safe. That would not be safe if the motorcycle goes. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was the eFusion Car Wash at Mcgees Car Wash. Bye.